In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, you'll hear from a man who was inspired to build his own bike from scratch. And as you hear from a TVJ's Kian Morgan, he wants to inspire others to try their hands at something even if no one believes in you.
Satisfied. That's how Michael Archer feels after seeing his hard work come to fruition. Archer is a mortician and a funeral director in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. But when he's not catering to the dead, this is what he spends his time on. This MotorTrike took him about 4 years to create.
A gentleman built part of it, actually, bring it to Jamaica. And based on what he wanted it to do, it just couldn't work for him. So I approached him, asked for him to sell it to me. After buying it from him, see what he had and what I really want, then I decided to dismantle it and cut it up, make it over, and make it into what I want.
When he went to get it insured, no one took him serious.
My insurance agent actually laughed at me because she's saying, what is this? And everybody wondering, how would this thing really work on the road? But then it have everything that it really need to pass the at the examination depot. So go ahead and get it licensed. Insure license, fitness up to date, and the examiner actually write it.
The trike, called the Ghost Rider, earned its title from the scary mask at the front. Archer says the fancy lights get a lot of attention, especially at nights.
If I should actually stop with every motorist, every walk foot that want to stop you, you will get nowhere because everybody want to video this thing, everybody want to ask you about it.
This handmade MotorTrike was made from 4 different types of vehicles. It has a sound system and is used to carry a chariot during a funeral procession.
At the source parts, some overseas, some local, pull down old vehicle, the gas tank on it come from a Lada motor car. The back end is from a Benz.
But building it took a lot of drive and courage. Archer says many times he almost gave up.
You're going to find negative people come around, oh, you shouldn't do it this way, oh, you should do this, do that. But then you know what you want, so you don't pay them any attention.
And now that his dream has turned into a reality, he's inspiring others not to give up, no matter what people say.
It is not going to happen overnight. If you look at this, it's mostly iron, right? Iron, and you are going to cut, you are going to design. Some of it going to spoil, welding won't work out the way it's supposed to work. But always pursue whatever you're going to do and be determined at what you do. The only man that failed in life is the man that failed to try. And once you try, you will find success.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.